Hello. Yeah, for today's presentation, our project group is, and we have the five members, and our topic is Starbucks Electronic Business Plan, their introduction, and their marketing strategy, and the technology that they are using, and how they are implementing the electronic business strategies, and what have we studied in our project in our semester, and how are we implementing all the techniques that the Starbucks are using and what are the improvements that they can use to improve this much better. So we have divided this report in this presentation into the three major aspects. The first is that the introduction of the Starbucks electronic business plan, and then there is the leverage technology, the marketing and brand, and the strong brand identity. And when at last there is the analyzing the third strategy and enhancement. So moving to the first plan, so this is based upon the technology integration that what have been the Starbucks have implemented the technology in their improvements and in their Starbucks business. So the Starbucks having the more than the 34,000 stores. So it exemplifies that the Starbucks that need the most benefited and the most advanced technology to implement it their electronic business plan. So we have divided this into the four major steps. The first step is that Starbucks having the scalable IT infrastructure, that it having the bugs of the internet structures, and then there is the cloud computing for efficient storage and for recording the data that they have been using, and what are the data that they are doing and the presenting. And likewise there is a point of scale system and the automated inventory management, that whatever the store and whatever the items have been ordered, so it should have the clear data that how much we have left and the how much that we have in the inventory. And then there is the most advanced technology that have been the Starbucks invented, is it of the mobile app, then the customer can order the online through the payments, and there is the exactly the loyalty program that have been describing the Starbucks through the mobile app. And it is one of the major electronic business plans and the functions that they have been using, and what we have studied in our semester. So moving to the next more detail into the technological edge. So they can use the robust cyber security, it is the like improvements that the Starbucks can have by improving the lot in their technological system. So the first, like this is the world where the cyber security crime is increasing day by day. So the Starbucks can improve their robust cybersecurity measures, and we have explained in our report that how they can improve their cybersecurity measures and what are the implications and the causes that the cybersecurity can have impacted on the technological and the company's technology. And then they can use the more artificial intelligence and the internet of things, like their competitors are using these type of artificial intelligence to improve the feedback from the customers, and to let know the things that wherever the things are going on the wrong, and enhance the security protocol. That is one of the major aspect from the data protection side. And it should integrate the like digital wallets, and it should have created the real time inventory management system, like whatsoever the remaining systems back in the warehouses and whatever they sold, it should have the real comparison between that what we need right now, and it should have the contactless payment options. That is the one of the necessary options and improvements in the technological edge of the Starbucks. And after that, the marketing strategies that the Starbucks have been using, there is the SEO, the search engine optimization, that they have been using experimentally, and they have been using the excellent way. And like the Starbucks, the one of I guess the one of the major reasons for having the Starbucks globally famous is due to their presence on social media, like the social marketing, and they are using the social media as a major tool for the marketing. and they are like engaging the content, engaging the visuals and the users through their contents. Like one of the example that we have put in our, like you can see that the Starbucks cup is dipped on the coconut, and it's one of the like I it's delicating to see this, and it's a very beautiful picture. So in a sense that they are using the visuals, creating the good content, and they creating visuals on the social media that attract the customers and the other people to buy the more Starbucks and interested in Starbucks. And like the last slide is about the what are the marketing strategy, the improvement that the Starbucks can have to improve the marketing strategy. And one of the major feature is about the long tail SEO. Like they can just like in the graph you can see that there is a comparison about the high cost competition, the low cost, and it is between the probability of the conversion, that how these things are converting into the one another. Like you can see that there is the key phrase in the curves, and they have been describing about the like relation about how they are going down from one of the two sides. So they can just improve their marketing strategy by focusing more on long tail SEO, and they can focus on localized content for the global reach. Like they can tend to seek what are the locality and what are the locals wanting of Starbucks, and what are the taste of these peoples, instead of going all around the same from the global. So they should focus on the regional areas more than that in hunting the same on the global, and they should utilize influencer marketing to expand reach instead of the individual marketing. And they should integrate marketing content within the mobile app, so there should be any function in the mobile app, and they have to connect the media platforms to the mobile app to place more content and to marketizing the more content. So these are the strategies and the recommendation that we have recommended by suggesting and by researching the Starbucks application, Starbucks research, and by focusing on all the social media, and by focusing on all the research that have been conducted through the Starbucks, and some of the things that we have discovered in the Starbucks that we have implemented and we have studied in our semester, and we put all these strategies and all these recommendations into this report. And so this is our presentation, and for more detail we have submitted the report, and it is the detailed analysis of what is the marketing strategy, what are the analytical and the technological edges, and what are the recommendations that we recommend from the study from our semester. So thank you so much.